Welcome to House Art Kids Art Studio. Today we will make a scratch art drawing. Materials for today are Bristol board paper, or cardstock works too, oil pastels, and a scratch tool. I used a bendable wire, but a toothpick or skewer sticks will work too. You also need a brush and some black paint. I used acrylic, but tempera paint will also do the trick. First, let's draw and color our back image. You can color it as creatively or as colorfully as possible. Just make sure you fill up all the white areas. More pastel, the better. Next, paint the whole drawing with the black paint. Give it a good layer or two. Make sure that the paint is not too thin. You can let the paint air dry or use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. You want to work again when the paint is completely dry. Now that it's dry, we can start scratching away with our scratch tool and create another drawing by scratching off the black paint. Scratch off lines and shapes. The more you scratch, the more color that shows through. Scratch off whole sections like I did here. Scratch off patterns such as a moon, some stars, some wavy lines to show more color. What's important is that you have fun. You can scratch, peel, and reveal. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Like and subscribe.